Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with an eye makeup for holiday look for all of you. This is how the makeup turned out. If you are interested, keep on watching and do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's begin the tutorial. I have set my eyes with my eye primer. Now I am using this Jaclyn Hill palette and using the light brown color to create my first crease base. And make sure you're using the windshield wiper motion and taking your own time to blend it really well, and keep a very light hand so that you can begin with all the right steps, and this way your makeup look will turn out flawless. Here I am taking a pointed blending brush and depositing a dark chocolate brown color on my outer corners, and at the moment I'm just depositing it on my outer corner, that is lower crease, but I'll make sure that I am not going to cross the actual crease color that I created in the beginning. Following all the steps on the other eye so that both eyes look even at the end of this look. So after depositing the dark brown color, I am blending all the harsh edges and making sure there are no harsh lines. Here I am using the Real Techniques crease brush to create my crease, and I just zoomed in so that you can see how I create my crease. And if you're not really fluent in it, just make sure that you practice and you will learn it. This is the easiest way that I came up with, and I hope you guys will learn something out of it. So I'm just using the NARS Creamy Concealer to cut my crease. You can use any concealer that you have at your home. So after cutting my crease, I am setting it with the Too Faced glitter glue because I'll be using a loose pigment, and the pigment is from MAC Cosmetics in color bronze. It's a beautiful color for all your night outs and holiday glams and New Year evenings. That's why I chose this color. And I'm just making sure that it's even on both eyes, and after that I'm adding the same dark chocolate brown color and adding more depth to my outer corners because I wasn't happy with the pigment. So that's why I added more of it, and doing the same on the outer edges of my crease area. So here I am finishing my eye makeup look with Stila eyeliner, Stay All Day in Intense Black. If you want to learn how I do my eyeliner, I have a full tutorial on my Instagram. So don't forget to check that out, and let me know if you have any more requests. So over here my lashes are on. I have finished my foundation, adding my concealer. I will be putting a separate video on how I did this whole foundation glam. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, just have a look at how the whole eye makeup turned out. But my lower eye lash line is remaining, so I will be teaching you that in my next clip. So on my lower lash line, I took the same chocolate brown color that I used on my outer corners. I am just taking a flat small brush to place that color on my lower lash line, and then an angled small brush to create that inner corner wing. And you just have to place that sharp edge on the inner corners and create that wing. I hope I was able to make you guys understand that. And after depositing my color, I'm just blending it with the same brush and just rubbing it horizontally so that the color has no harsh lines and it looks diffused. Using a Lewatie lip liner, I will be putting the color name and all the details on my Instagram. You can go ahead and check that out, and some of you are not on Instagram, so what I will do, I will write the description under this video so you can check that out. I'm using an Essence mascara, false lash effect. It's beautiful on my lower lash line, and just making sure that the eye looks complete with the lower lash line mascara, and adding Too Faced Sellout lipstick on top of my lip liner. And at the end I added Maybelline Lifter gloss. The review of that gloss is already up on my channel, so go ahead and check that out. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys liked it, and I really hope you guys learned something out of it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Take care.